Today, we're reviewing the M1 AI Phone Assistant, a sleek tool designed to bring ChatGPT style intelligence directly to your phone, helping with calls, texts, and more. At its core, M1 acts as a personal AI sidekick. It can summarize voicemails, draft text responses, auto reply, and even suggest follow ups after calls. Everything integrates directly with your existing phone number, so it feels like a quiet assistant working in the background. Setup is straightforward. You link your phone, grant permissions, and M1 begins analyzing your communication patterns. The interface is clean and minimal, and it works natively on both iPhone and Android, either through an app or a browser. Where M1 really shines is in call summaries and text suggestions. After a call, it provides a quick breakdown of what was discussed, key actions, and reminders. This is especially helpful if you're juggling multiple conversations throughout the day. That said, it isn't perfect. Real-time transcription still needs work, and it can feel awkward in sensitive situations like breaking up with someone. M1 also isn't a full automation engine like Notion or Zapier. It's more of a lightweight productivity boost rather than a deep workflow platform. As a user of M1 AI Phone Assistant, I've found M1 to be a helpful AI sidekick for my phone, especially for summarizing calls, drafting texts, and suggesting follow-ups. It integrates directly with my number, works on both iPhone and Android, and the interface is clean and easy to use. The call summaries and text suggestions save me time when juggling multiple conversations. On the downside, real-time transcription isn't perfect, and it can feel awkward in sensitive situations. M1 also isn't a full automation tool like Notion or Zapier, so it's more of a productivity boost than a complete workflow solution. Overall, it's smart, quietly helpful, and evolving quickly, but it's not a game changer just yet. M1 is ideal for freelancers, busy founders, or anyone who frequently forgets details from calls. If you're looking for complete automation or advanced technical control, it may feel limited. Overall, the M1 AI Phone Assistant is smart, clean, and quietly helpful. It adds a practical layer of productivity to your phone and is evolving fast, making it worth trying if you want a little AI assistance in your daily communication.